You guys made another one. You guys are doing great. Are you guys keeping guard? You guys keeping guard? No one's coming around, right? Alright. Making sure. Yes, we are finally done. We are finally done. Now go home and go celebrate. Go celebrate. And leave the weapons in the tent, please. Thank you. Wow.
Good job, Carlos. You see how faithful I am? When the people returned to me from their sins, I restored them to their land. And even though your workers were in danger of being attacked, I gave them strength and protected them. Trust in me when you are in troubled times, Carlos. Continue to follow me. I will never fail to deliver you from your troubles, and I will always show love to you.
Thank you, Lord. You know what? I will follow. So, let's see. Wait, I'm still in the city of Judah. How do I get out?
Just walk off stage, and you will be at church in PKC. And tell Pastor Allen that you love him.
Oh, okay. Pastor Allen, I love you! Pastor Allen?